Hi friends, welcome to today's session. Our yesterday's quiz question was the Garida stone of Hampi is depicted on the reverse side of note of what denomination, and it is 50 rupees note. All of you have commented right answer only. Thank you for all your responses. Let's start today's session. First question for the day. With reference to the School Health Ambassador initiative recently seen in the news, consider the following statements. Statement 1. Two teachers will be identified in every government school as health and wellness ambassadors under this scheme. Statement 2. This initiative will be run by Niti Aayog. Statement 3. The initiative has been launched as a part of Ayushman Bharat. Which of the above statements is correct? Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 2 and 3 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Correct answer here is option C 1 and 3 only. In 2018, Prime Minister has launched the school health program under Ayushman Bharat. It is a joint collaborative program of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Ministry of Human Resource Development and not by Niti Aayog. And now under this School Health Ambassador initiative has started, in which teachers act as health and wellness ambassadors and disseminate various key informations regarding health. And two teachers will be identified in every government school as health and wellness ambassadors. And every Tuesday is dedicated as Health and Wellness Day in the schools. And recently, the Ministry of Human Resource Development and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, along with NCRT, have developed curriculum framework and training material for training school health ambassadors. This curriculum is in line with Sustainable Development Goal 3. SDG 3 aspires to ensure health and well-being for all. Remember this. Actually, you should remember all the Sustainable Development Goals. It will help you in your mains answer writing. And a tip on how to remember this is that download this image and make it as the wallpaper of your laptop or anything that you use regularly and just go through it daily. And just mentioning one index related to this topic, that is Global Hunger Index, is released by, that is our quiz question for the day. The Global Hunger Index is released by which organization? And the recently released Global Hunger Index ranked India 102 among the 117 countries and has been classified as country with serious levels of hunger, and that is where India stands. You can see in the chart. A notable thing is India is behind Pakistan and Bangladesh in this index. Second question, a Payari on wheels, a platform which can carry 20 bee boxes from one place to another without any difficulty, is a concept designed by which among the following? Option A, IIT Madras. Option B, Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Option C, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Option D, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Correct answer here is option B, Khadi and Village Industries Commission. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission had launched Honey Mission in 2017 and has been training beekeepers, distributing bee boxes, and helping rural, educated but unemployed youth to earn extra income through beekeeping activities. And Apiary on Wheels is a unique concept designed by KVIC. It is developed for the easy upkeep and migration of bee boxes having live bee colonies. Apiary means a place where bees have kept, that is a collection of beehives. And here you can see the picture of Apiary on Wheels by KVIC. It is a platform which can carry 20 bee boxes from one place to another without any difficulty, and it is like an attachment which can be easily connected with a tractor or a trolley and may be pulled to any suitable destination. Why it is done? Because it is designed so as to reduce the labor and cost of maintaining. So this will make the migration easy, the maintenance easy feeding of bees, and it will also help the bees to sustain even in extreme summers. Because beehives need to be kept at actually the 35 degrees Celsius to be the right temperature to produce honey. So if the temperature became hotter than 35 degrees, then the bees will station themselves throughout the hive and fan their wings to cope up with the heat. And in extreme cases, they may even die. So this concept of apiary on wheels has cooling facility with the help of solar panels, which helps maintaining temperatures. We will move to last question for the day. Euronet, recently seen in the news, is related to option A, COVID tracker software by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option B, database of Election Commission of India. Option C, communication satellite. Option D, mobile application for video conferencing. So the correct answer is option B. It is a database of Election Commission of India. So this is a common database for all states and UTs with data of 91 crore electors. It's an initiative by Election Commission of India. Apart from database, this is a website through which the citizens can now register for their voter ID card online and also choose to change the state in which they want to enroll as voter. So this will reduce the bureaucratic hurdles. This question is important because the Election Commission of India has been awarded silver for excellence in government process re-engineering for digital transformation for the year 2019-20, and this award was given in recognition of Euronet. And that's all for today, guys. We will meet tomorrow. Post your answer and score. Thank you for watching.